we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your shadow on your shadow writer app. So you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for here you're looking here for shadow here right to app, or just click on search. Then here add shadow here fight to app, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.